What are the names of 8 significant judges of Israel? Othniel, Ehud, Deborah, Gideon, Jephthah, Samson, Eli, Samuel. These are 8 judges. One more time. What are the names of 8 significant judges of Israel? Othniel, Ehud, Deborah, Gideon, Jephthah, Samson, Eli, Samuel. These are 8 judges. So I believe this is to the tune Ring Around the Rosie, but my kids call this the make fun of song because you go neener, neener, boo, boo. So if you wanted to, for something silly for the little kids, you could draw a picture of Goliath on your whiteboard if you have one, or bring in a picture of Goliath, your pretend Goliath, and you can have the kids pretend to make fun of him because Samuel was the judge of Israel when David fought Goliath, and they stood on opposite sides of the valley and made fun of each other. So if you want to do that, you can, or you could just have the kids march around the room, get louder or grow taller and taller and taller if you wanted to. The next song, hang on a second. The next song is to Rolling in the Deep by Adele, and it goes like this. What are the names of 8 significant judges of Israel? Othniel, Ehud, Deborah, Gideon, Jephthah, Samson, Eli, Samuel. These are 8 judges. And so as you go through, this one's a little bit trickier for the older kids, but as you go through, you can have them start clapping and it get like louder as they march or walk around faster and faster. So, or stomp, anything to add like a really strong beat in the background. Okay, so one more time. What are the names of 8 significant judges of Israel? Othniel, Ehud, Deborah, Gideon, Jephthah, Samson, Eli, Samuel. These are 8 judges. What are the... So you can get louder and louder and louder with that one if the older kids like that. But I thought that the Ring Around the Rosie was a little bit easier for the younger kids. Hope this helps. This is cycle 2, weeks 1 and 2. And I got kids calling me, so I gotta go. Y'all have a good year. Bye.